Hello everyone, this is Marlin again, out of Dallas, Texas, and this is an update of my Traffic Monsoon progress. As you know, if you've seen my other videos, that I'm using Traffic Monsoon and the Power Lead system to get traffic to my site or to my business opportunity. And this traffic platform or this ad sharing platform, as you have it, generates me traffic or allow me to go out and buy more traffic to my site or my business primary business opportunity. Now, Traffic Monsoon I am a proud member of because it's legit and you can join for free. And you can come in and start surfing sites every day to gain more traffic to your site or your sites. If you want to gain more traffic to your site, start buying ad packs. Ad packs will put credit on your banner that you create inside of Traffic Monsoon to bring more traffic to your site. You get 20 clicks for your banners and you get 1,000 clicks for your website link. Now the ad packs cost $50 a pack. You can start with what we call a broke man's plan and buy one ad pack, and each and every 7 days you will gain $1 a day from the beginning, and each and every 7 days you can cash in that and add more to it to get another ad pack, and it accumulates more and more as you purchase your ad packs. If you buy 2 ad packs, that's $2 a day. Right now, you can see that I am at $79 a day, and this is at $99.49. I can withdraw straight to my PayPal account, or I can go over and buy another ad pack for $50. What I'm going to do is wait till this get to 100 and buy 2 ad packs, and this would put me up at 81 ad packs. And you have some that has expired or will expire, but you keep feeding or keep buying ad packs, and that will allow you, just say for instance this was just $50 a day, you have gotten up to 50 ad packs with the broke man plan. You started at 1 ad pack, and if it's $50 a day, you're making $350 every 7 days. You can take part of that money, go out to a place where we will show you to buy traffic to your primary business, and you use the other to buy more ad packs, so that my goal was 10 ad packs so that I can start buying from my profits. I don't have to come out of my pocket anymore, because 10 ad packs will put you up to a pack every 5 days. So now that I'm up here, I have strived to get to this point, because after those 10 ad packs I'm buying for profit, every now and then when I can, I would add another from my pocket to get to 50. Once you get to 50, $350 every 7 days, take part of it, buy solo ads or buy traffic. Take $100 out every month. Upgrade in the Power Lead system. You can start out with Lead Lightning, but it's more beneficial to upgrade to a gold membership, and you have the access of unlimited subdomains, unlimited capture page templates, and you can put in your own videos, and I just love it. I use these 2 programs to promote each other. I use Traffic Monsoon to promote Power Lead system. I use Power Lead system to draw in leads to my Traffic Monsoon, and I'm loving it. Once I got to 50, I'm striving for 100. Excuse me. Once this become 100, ladies and gentlemen, I can buy 2 ad packs a day, and that's allowing me to purchase more traffic, and that's bringing more traffic to my primary business, and I will be getting sign-ups, which I'm already getting sign-up, but not as many as I would be getting once I get to 100, because that's more money I can spend on more traffic. The young man that I'm following, he started out broke. He was an ex-Marine. He's an ex-Marine. He was making $250 a week. Now he's making well over $1,000 a day just in Traffic Monsoon. We're not talking about all the referrals that he's gained by buying other traffic on the outside with solo ads and buying traffic period from traffic sources. And I'm following his lead. And it's a simple strategy that you can use. Start with 1, go to 10, then focus on 50, then focus on getting to 100. Once this reach 100, I'm going to buy 2 more ad packs. My total sharing position is 152, and what I've earned on commission is $412.88. My earning from sharing is $6,089.91. My total earn is $6,522.93. My referral links, cash links, and that will be after in another video. But at the bottom of this video, you can start by joining for free. Learn more about Traffic Monsoon and how you can start making money from your own home. Do you have a desire to make a second income? Do you have a desire to quit that 8-hour job? You can do it through Traffic Monsoon. And people thinking it's a scam or a scheme. I'm here to tell you, I've tried withdrawing to my PayPal. It's simple. As soon as I withdraw, boom, there it is in my PayPal. It's no scheme, no scam. Join for free. Learn how you can start making up to $79 and $81 a month. I mean, not a month, but a day. And then strive to get to 100 a day. And we will show you how to utilize that money that you are making from your profits in Traffic Monsoon. Join Traffic Monsoon for free. Join up with Lead Lightning, which is the Power Lead system. When you hear me say Lead Lightning, it's the same thing as Power Lead system. It's just the beginning. Learn about these programs. You have training areas over here where you can learn everything you need to know about the Power Lead system. All right. My name is Marlin Carter. This is my progress. This is my updated progress with Traffic Monsoon. And I'm gaining leads and I'm gaining referrals daily through promoting it through the Power Lead system. At the bottom of this video, click on that link below. You will have the link to Traffic Monsoon. You will have the link to Power Lead system, which is Lead Lightning from the beginning. And then you can upgrade to Power Lead system once you start making money. All right. I must say bye-bye.